Welcome back. Today, we are going to learn about the useReducer hook in React. useReducer helps us manage complex state updates in a clear and predictable way. Let's see how it works with a simple example. What is useReducer? useReducer is a React hook that manages complex state logic. Why use useReducer? UseState is good for simple state. Complex state logic becomes hard to manage. useReducer organizes state updates clearly and predictably. Let's see what state and action are. What is state? State holds the current data of the component. What is an action? An action is a plain JavaScript object. It describes what should happen. Actions usually have a type. Actions can also carry extra data using payload. Next, let's see what a reducer is. A reducer is a function that takes the current state and an action, and returns a new state based on that action. Here's the syntax of useReducer. We get two values from it, state and dispatch. State holds the current data, dispatch is used to send actions, and the reducer decides how the state should change. Here's a simple counter example to show how useReducer works. We start with an initial state of 0. The reducer function decides how the state changes. Clicking the plus button dispatches increment to increase the counter, and clicking minus dispatches decrement to decrease it. We can also add a reset action to go back to 0. useReducer is useful when state has multiple values or depends on previous state. It keeps state updates clear and predictable, making components easier to read and maintain. Some common use cases of useReducer are when you have multiple state values, when state updates involve complex logic, and when you want predictable and clear state management. It helps keep your code organized and easy to maintain. That's it for the useReducer hook. We learned how it helps manage complex state logic, handle multiple values, and keep updates predictable. Using useReducer makes your components easier to read, maintain, and debug. In the next video, we'll continue exploring more React hooks. Thank you.